Hey everybody, Jeff Lasky, the CEO at NSBAR. I'm so excited about the upcoming year. Incoming president, Luigui Corral, is here with me. But before I get to the new year, I want to ask you a quick question about what's happening with you now and the start of your year, and that is installation event we have coming up. So it's going to be great.
I think so. I think it's going to be great. We have a few things that are going to happen that are kind of secrets. I want you guys to go there and check it out. And theme is going to be about engagement, and you guys are going to see their why. So I strongly suggest you guys to sign up now as soon as possible and go to the installations. It's going to be a lot of fun. Sure.
And I know too that we're not just doing, say, not the same old installation, so to speak, right? So we're going to try to, we're certainly going to honor everybody, have them installed, do that part of it, but we really want to get to having some fun. We're going to have a singer, right? We're going to have entertainment.
Well, that's what happens when you guys elect a Latino as president. You know? Be the first one in 104 years. We're gonna have fun there. We're gonna spice it up a little bit, and it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be amazing. So guys, really show up.
Yeah, well, before I let you loose, there is, you mentioned the theme, right? So the theme is engagement, right? So we can all kind of guess what that means, but I'd like to know what you think engagement is and how you want to try to work with that throughout the course of your year.
Well, the reason I chose engagement is because I've been involved in associations and in leadership for a while, and it's not complicated why people don't get engaged with all so many things happening in our association, in NSBAR, also in English Realtors. It's crazy. So to me, my job this year is I want to make sure that everybody gets to enjoy and gets firsthand to what I've been doing the last few years, and with all these leaders here have the experience, and which is fantastic. It's amazing. It's something that's good for you to learn. It's good for you to serve the community. It's just things that you guys need to get involved. Like everybody needs to get this needs to be experienced this. So I want people to engage with our association, with leadership, and to understand how cool and what many amazing things are happening here. And I want to share that with everybody. Well, that's why.
Yeah, I was going to say, I'm telling you what I'm doing on Wednesday, September 6th, starting at 4 o'clock, is I am celebrating with this guy and with a whole bunch of other people. Please come join me, Luigi, that day for installation. Look forward to seeing you there.
And it's going to be at Ravinia, and we have an after party. So get there.